I'm going to go through the code of Celeb look alike. So this is the output of the code. So we'll go from the beginning. So here we are doing all the imports at plotleaf, and unfortunately I'm not able to my I'm not able to download from Dropbox. I don't know why. So I have to download the e- folders like Celeb image, all this individually, and I have to keep it inside my inside my device locally. So I've kept it here, like path and Celeb mapping, Celeb mini. So you can see the Celeb mini is out here. Checking the length of the labels, I'm getting 260, 2622. So now we are going to go through the training process. So name, label, map is a dictionary. Other three are my arrays. I'm going through. I go through the each folders and get the path of the folders and append it in the child folder. So this child folder contains the list of path of these folders. Then I go through each folders, child folders, and I get the images and I append their path inside image path, the labels inside this, and the dictionary path and the name. So here we begin the training process from image path, which I get out here. I start reading each image's path. I get the image using ImRead, get the faces using face detector. Now from each face is detected, right? There can be a number of faces in the image. So we iterate through each faces that was detected. We get the shape from the shape predictor, find the facial landmarks detected, convert this landmark, recognize the face, and convert it into n-dimensional array, and then concatenate it into face descriptor, and then append it inside the index I. So this process goes through each images inside each folder, and it is quite a long process. Now let's see the training testing. So for testing, I'm defining the threshold for 0.6. This works good for me. I have kept the images inside the test image folder. So basically there are two images, and then read the each images, convert into from BGR to RGB, and we go through the same processes like we went for the training one, getting the shape, getting the shape predictor, then face detector, and dimension array. Finally, we find the length between the length, right, the distance between the face detector and the dimensional array that we detected, and if the distance is less than the threshold, then we assume that it falls inside the cluster or it is nearby the cluster, and then we read the images and we get the celebrity images. So here we get the path of that images. I think so. This two must be inside this, because unnecessarily if the image is not detected, we are getting the path. So if we get the path, we get the images out here. We convert the image into RGB for display, and we show the images. That's it. Thank you.